very important for us to be always motivated, because that is the one thing which keep on working, and which help us to keep on working on ourselves. Yes, we can do, we have the ability. So that's how the confidence develops slowly. Even though we are somewhere we are stuck, but still if somebody who are close to us who motivate us, we try to give our best. So always do not forget that you are the best for yourself, and you can take the best decision for yourself. Nobody else can do it. And what you can do, the other person cannot do it, because every individuals are unique in their own terms, in their own working, in their lifestyles. So you all are unique, we all are unique, and everybody can do great things if you really decide. It is only the matter of your decision, how strongly you believe in your dreams, and how strongly you are working on your dreams to come true, or to achieve wherever you want it to be. So that is what I believe. I am from Bangalore, but I came from a very low background with a middle class. But I tried myself to do it the best I can. Each day is a different day, each day is hard for us, but in, instead of thinking sitting somewhere like it is so tough, why should I do it so much, it's better to start doing without thinking. When you start doing slowly, you get the direction. When you start following the direction, you don't know where you're going to reach, but somewhere in the beautiful destination, the god is going to help you to land in somewhere, a destination where it will be, where it will be the perfect for you, right? So you should always start thinking in a positive way. And at present, if you see, many of you are in a cat race. Everybody wants to be get the best. Everyone wants the best. Nobody is looking for the quality, everybody is looking for the quantity. I need more, I need more, I need more. But hardly there are few people who are left out in this earth who really value for the quality, not for the quantity, isn't it? So don't you think that even if it's a little, it should be the best? What is the point of having everything where you cannot even, preserve or the save? It should be the best, right? Even if you have a little, it should be, the quality should be the high. So that is very important. The quality of life which you live, the values, the ethics which you follow during your journey, it should always be considered as the topmost priority in your life, rather working on how to get more money, how we can grow. The growth is depends on your actions, not on your likes or dislikes. What kind of actions you are able to take in your life, that depends, that is what is going to decide in your life how far you're going to reach. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and like to this live chat. जल्दी से लाइक कर दीजिए. Let me see how many of you are there online to interact with me. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. How many of you are interested in interaction? Please, if you have any queries, leave it in your comment box, so that it will help me in understanding more about my subscribers, what they are expecting from me, so that I can fulfill their expectations. How many of you are there? Yes, if you have any queries, do not forget to leave your comments